Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. It's been a long time since I've made a video, and I haven't actually been cross stitching for a very long time. I think the last time I cross stitched was about in May, and then it's like summer starts somewhere at the end of May in Sweden, and it's not very long, so I just didn't want to be inside. I want to be outside in the sun, and I just didn't feel like cross stitching at all. But now it's almost October, so I'm thinking, why not start cross-stitching again? And I'm gonna make two videos. The first video is about what I've been, my haul, what I've been buying, some new cross-stitch kits that I want to show you. And the other video, I'm gonna start making it about what I'm gonna be cross-stitching after such a long time. But it's for later, and I'm gonna be testing a new format of making a video. That will be, but that's later. You will get to see it a bit later when I'm done with it. But in this video, I want to focus on the cross stitch kits that I've purchased, and I was very drawn to Janlynn's samplers kits, and I bought two kinds, and I wanted to show you them, and I wanted to compare them and see which ones you liked. So let's start. The first one is this one, Janlynn Needlecraft. We'll start with autumn. In this one you see a lot of details, a lot of small pictures, and also text. And then you have the other one. This is also a fall or autumn sampler, but it has more like pictures and not as much, no text at all. So which one is better, do you think? And on the other side it looks like this. I don't know what kind of floss this is. I really doubt that this is DMC or Anchor, and I don't think that this is Ada fabric. I don't know what this is, what kind of fabric this is. And on this side, I like the color of the fabric, like a sandy type of color. So this is, sorry, the autumn samplers. Which ones do you like? Which one is this? Is this one with the text better than this one where it's only pictures? Let me know. Moving on, then we have winter. The first one is this one with smaller pictures and with text and numbers. This is 12 by 16 inches. And this is the other one, which is just pictures. Here you have more like white, more beige, and here you have more colors of, I think this is called holly and mistletoe. I'm not really sure. Let me know in the comment section. I'm very good with plants. But this is what it looks like, these two. And the back is just the same as the other ones. Moving on to spring. And spring is the one that I like the least. It has a lot of detailing. I don't really like the colors of this one. And the other one I didn't like that much either. You have flowers, you have eggs. And the last one, that is the summer sampler. I think this one is the one I like the most. You have the beach, you have the tomatoes, you have sunflowers, of the American flag, because this is American. And this one I love. I think this is one of the best ones. I like the colors. It really represents summer. It has everything that I think of summer, like the bees, the honey, the beach, the flowers, fruit. These are probably my favorite. So let me just put them in order. Here you have summer, just a second, summer, fall, autumn. Then you have winter and spring. Yeah, and they're not the same size. This one is 12 by 16. This is 14 by 18 ounces. Oh, not, yeah, inches, I'm sorry, inches, not ounces. And this is 12 by 16, and this is 12 by 16 as well. They're not really identical in size. And they, as I mentioned before, they have text, not only pictures. And it looks like it's going to take, there's a lot of small detailing in them. So this is this one. I'm just going to do the same thing with the other ones. Then we have here spring, which is 11 by 14 inches. Then we have summer, 11 by 14 inches. Then we have autumn, fall, and this is 11 by 14, and the winter one. And this one doesn't have, these ones don't have any text, just pictures. And I like them because they have more color, and the like the flowers are bigger, the pictures are bigger. There's still a lot of detailing, but not as much as on these ones, for example. So please let me know in the comment section below what type of samplers did you like the most? Did you like the ones that are like smaller ones that have a lot of small detailing and text? Or did you like the bigger ones, for example? Okay, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you subscribe, because there's lots more to come. I want to get back to cross stitching because I've missed it, and now that I'm started working, because in Sweden you take very long summer vacations. I had like 4.5 weeks of paid vacation. I just didn't want to cross stitch at all, but I'm gonna start doing it now. And I hope you subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.